Close your eyes. Imagine a landscape so surreal, so otherworldly, that it defies the laws of logic itself. A place where colors seem impossible, structures seem alien, and the forces of nature stretch the very boundaries of what the human mind can comprehend. Now open your eyes, because these places are real. Hidden across the vast tapestry of Earth, there exist wonders so unbelievable, so breathtaking, that they challenge everything we know about this planet we call home. Welcome to a journey through some of the most unreal places on Earth. Our first stop takes us to Bolivia, to a natural masterpiece that feels as though it's been plucked straight from the realm of dreams, Salar de Uyuni. Sprawling across over 4,000 square miles, it is the world's largest salt flat, and when it rains, it transforms into the ultimate mirror. Imagine standing on an endless reflecting pool, where the sky above and the earth below merge in perfect harmony. Clouds ripple in the reflection, sunsets bleed into the ground, and you can't tell where you end and the world begins. Walking here feels like stepping into another dimension, an infinite expanse of silence and serenity. It is a place where the boundaries between heaven and earth dissolve into pure magic. From the stillness of Uyuni, we venture into Iceland, a land where fire and ice exist as neighbors, and nature works its artistry in extremes. Here, tucked away from civilization, lies an ethereal gem, Vatnajökull Glacier Caves. If you were to descend into one of these frozen labyrinths, you'd find yourself enveloped by walls of crystalline blue ice, sculpted by meltwater and the slow creep of time. It's like entering the heart of a translucent gemstone. The caves shimmer and pulse with light, their surfaces distorted into waves and ridges by the glacier's movement. But be warned, these caves are impermanent. As the glacier shifts, they collapse and reform, a fleeting miracle carved by nature itself. Let's now cross the ocean to Vietnam, where one of Earth's greatest hidden wonders lies deep within a jungle that feels untouched by time. Here, we find Son Jong Cave, the largest cave in the world. Picture a cavern so massive, it contains its own ecosystem. Jungles flourish inside, clouds form in its enormous chambers, and rivers carve their way through darkness. This isn't just a cave, it's a world within a world. You could fit an entire skyscraper inside this space and still have room to spare. Staggeringly vast, yet hauntingly enclosed, Sonjong feels like something out of a mythical epic. Its corridors whisper secrets of millennia gone by, a reminder of how small we are and how grand nature can be. Now, take a leap across the globe into the Australian outback, where another marvel lies in the form of the Pinnacles Desert in Nambu National Park. Stone pillars jut out of the golden sand like ancient sentinels of another era. Each formation stands silent and mysteriously sculpted by time, wind, and erosion into alien shapes. Some resemble jagged teeth, others twisted spires, and still others hollowed out trunks. Scientists debate their origins, but standing amidst them, under the golden hue of the setting sun, feels like wandering a prehistoric monument left by Earth itself, a forgotten civilization etched into stone. Our journey becomes even stranger as we head into Tanzania, to a lake so unusual it could be mistaken for a scene out of a sci-fi thriller. This is Lake Natron, a body of water so salty and alkaline that it resembles liquid fire. Its surface shimmers in crimson hues, its eerie beauty offset by its deadly nature. The high temperatures and chemical composition make it inhospitable for most life forms, except for colonies of flamingos that thrive on its edges, turning it into a surreal hotspot of color and contrast. But perhaps its strangest features are the petrified animals that litter its shorelines. Creatures unlucky enough to fall into the lake are calcified, their remains preserved as haunting, statuesque relics, frozen in time. Leaving the alien landscapes of East Africa behind, we ascend into the Himalayan heights of India to Zanskar Valley, where mountain rivers turn into glass. Here, winter transforms the Chadar Trek into a frozen highway across the gushing Zanskar River. Imagine walking across sheets of clear, shimmering ice that form a natural bridge between towering cliffs. The cold wraps around you, sharp yet invigorating, as the silence of the valley amplifies every crunch of your footsteps. Here, it feels like time has stopped. The only movement comes from the faint cracks forming beneath the ice and the swirling winds above. It's harsh, remote, and completely surreal. The kind of place that feels like you're standing in the pages of a fantasy novel. And finally, we end our journey in the waters of Mexico, in Yucatan's mystical cenotes. These are natural sinkholes formed after the collapse of limestone bedrock, revealing crystal-clear pools below. Cenotes feel like portals to another time, their turquoise waters shimmering beneath domes of lush jungle canopy. Some of them, like Cenote Iquil, descend deep into the earth, their interiors dripping with stalactites and teeming with myths from ancient Mayan civilization. Explorers come here not just for their beauty, but for their mystery. The sense that you're swimming in a place where nature holds its most sacred secrets. These are just a few of the countless unreal wonders scattered across Earth. Places so extraordinary, they seem like they belong to another planet entirely. But that's the beauty of our world, isn't it? Beneath its familiar landscapes lies a wellspring of surprises, a reminder that the impossible might not be as far away as it seems. The Earth is vast, complex, and full of mystery, a living testament to the imagination of nature. Which begs the question, what other wonders might be waiting out there, still undiscovered? Perhaps the most unreal places on Earth are the ones we aren't even aware of yet. After all, this planet is a storyteller with no end to its tales, if only we're willing to seek them out. So go ahead, be curious, be bold. Let the Earth show you its secrets, because somewhere out there, beyond the maps and the guides, lies your next adventure. So unreal, you might just have to see it to believe it.